Okay, here's another quadratic equation to solve. Now if you can do this, pause the video and try it, and if you can't, just have a look at this. Now same again, first thing to do is multiply these two n numbers together. So you got 3 times minus 12 gives me minus 36. Now then you've got to break this number down and see two numbers that were times together to give me minus 36 and add together to give me the plus 5. So first of all, I'm going to break this down and say 1 times 36 into its factors, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, 5 doesn't go into it, and 6 times 6. Now I know that I want to end up with a positive 5. So, and I know that one of these numbers has to be negative to times together to give me a negative 36. So I'm gonna end up with a positive number. So all the bigger number, since they're gonna end up positive, are going to be positive, and the smaller number of those is going to be negative. Now if I add those together, I'll get 36 minus 1 is 35. I don't, so it's not this one I need. So that's going to give me 35. I don't want that, I want to end up with a 5. So if I add these together, I'll get 18 take away 2 is 16. No, that does not work. I've got 12 take away 3, which is 9. No, that does not work. I've got 9 take away 4 is a positive 5, and that is the 1. So I need to use these two values. I need to replace the plus 5x with minus 4x and plus 9. So let's do that. So the n terms stay the same, so you end up with 3x squared and minus 12. So the first term and the last term stay the same, and the middle term gets replaced with minus 4x plus 9x. Again, note minus 4x plus 9x is plus 5x. Okay, so that expression is the same as that. However, what this does is, now if I grab the first two terms and the last two terms and factorize them, I should end up with a common factor. So what's common in these two is just x, so I'm going to put x outside the bracket. That's going to give me 3x minus 4, and in this I've got 3 is common in both of them, so I take the 3 out and I end up with 3x there, which will give me 9, and 3 times minus 4 will give me 12. And like I said before, you know you've done it right when you've got a common factor here. Okay, and that common factor in both expressions is 3x minus 4, so I'm going to take that out, 3x minus 4. Now 3x minus 4 is being multiplied by these two terms, this term and this term. Okay, so you can put that in this corner, x, and then plus 3. Now what we've done is we've factorized this quadratic likewise, and that is equal to 0. Now we go on to solving it. Now this helps us to solve it because now we've got two linear factors, and here we can say 3x minus 4 is equal to 0, or this linear factor x plus 3 is equal to 0. This one's easily done. X can be minus 3, or you can have this one where you do a bit more maths, take the minus 4 to the other side, becomes a plus 4, and share them both by 3, so x equals 4 over 3. So there you go, those are the solutions to this.